Here I have my phone Go, and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to have access to the battery in the most quickest way, let's just use the upper bar twice and tap on the battery icon. Here you've got the battery usage, and you can also enable the battery saver right here. So that's it. Now if you would like to have access to battery saver in settings, let's tap apps icon, scroll down, choose settings, and right here under device tab, let's choose the battery. Here you can read the statistics about your battery. You can, for example, choose intelligent power saving standby, and here you may also choose battery saver. So to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device's performance and limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. If you would like to enable this mode, you can use it right here, this switcher, or you may also turn on automatically battery saver, for example when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So basically that's it. You may go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.